Hello everyone, welcome back to Vishal SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. This speed test is very special speed test because right now I'll try to use the Battlegrounds mobile game between these both phones, and I'll try to open the Battlegrounds mobile game at the same time. Let's see which phone can actually open the Battlegrounds mobile game faster. And this test I try to do in two different methods. So first method, without using any kind of GT mode and there is no high performance mode involved, just to see how much difference it will be there. And next step, using GT mode and using high performance mode, how much difference it will be there. That's what my main idea of comparing these both phones side by side. All the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, and is a Wi-Fi connection, so both phones should be connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connection, which is 2.4 GHz. Let me try to connect to 2.4 GHz. So it's connected to the 2.4 GHz successfully. You can clearly see here, not bad. So both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, and is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Let me get start at same time. Battlegrounds mobile game. In this way, we'll be able to see which phone opens the games faster. So 1, 2, and 3. So there is no GT mode is used. There is no high performance mode is used at this point of demonstration. Just to give a clear idea what is going on. And you can see the stopwatch also started at same time, and sorry for the light. Yes. First, Realme X1 Max did open the game faster, and the Realme GT Neo 2 is taking slightly some time. Little bit, the phone took some time. I'm not sure why. We need to exit the game and start again. First, the Realme X1 Max was able to open the game faster. Let's try the test again one more time. 1, 2, and 3. So second time, I'll try to turn on the high performance mode. I mean next time. So this time I'm trying to do the testing without any kind of boosting techniques. So the Realme X1 Max was able to open slightly faster again in the second time testing as well. As you can see, Realme X1 Max. The damage to 1200, yes. As you can see friends clearly. And Realme GT Neo 2, again it took some time. So the first time the Realme X1 Max clearly is a winner in terms of the speed test. I did not expect, to be frank, when comparing with the Realme GT, because both phones are Realme UI and same kind of optimization should be there. But maybe the process something kind of different, I think so. But let me need to turn on the GT mode and let's turn on the high performance mode. So then we'll be seeing what is happening. So high performance mode is turned on. Now all the apps should be completely clear from the background. And let me try to start at same time again the test. 1, 2, and 3. So this is not a 1 second difference or maybe 2 seconds difference. There is huge difference. I mean 4 to 5 seconds. But if you use the GT mode, I think then the Realme GT Neo 2 is working faster. But still the Realme X1 Max did open faster. I'm not sure whether you did observe or not. Maybe you can try to watch this video in a slow motion. You'll definitely see that Realme X1 Max did open slightly faster than the Realme GT Neo 2. In terms of the opening speeds, you can see. I'll need to close the game again. And second time I'm trying to do the test. 1, 2, and 3. So let's see this time. So without using any high performance mode, the Realme X1 Max, and with using high performance mode and even with the GT mode as well, again the Realme X1 Max was able to open faster. Not bad. Even though the phone is very old phone, I mean close to 5 months of usage with this device, but still, I mean not 5 months, maybe 4 months of usage, but still the phone was able to handle really good the Realme X1 Max. This is the phone. As you can see, the clear winner is the Realme X1 Max in terms of the opening speed test comparison between both phones. With high performance mode and with GT mode, doesn't matter whatever you do, Realme X1 Max has got it. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.